Yeah, we shine so bright, trailblazing world changers, stepping in the light. From the past to the present, making history. Black girl magic, power legacy. Mind spoke truth, made the world wanna rise. When art planted trees, gave the earth new life. Serena with the serve, yeah, she played no games. Michelle Rose showed us how to lead with grace. Sora told stories, kept our roots so strong. Josephine dance, made the world sing along. Schumann Mary dropping gems in every line. Harriet ran through the night, freedom shine. Everyone queens, and we shine so bright, trailblazing world changers, stepping in the light. From the past to the present, making history. Black girl magic, power legacy. Reek got the hits and she built Fenty. CJ Walker made black beauty plenty. Angela Davis, fists up, stand tall. Even got a camera, breaking down walls. Marsha P fought for LBCQ. Asada stayed strong and she spoke her truth. New P is on the screen, shattered melanin. Shirley Chisholm form again. 31 queens and we shine so bright. Trailblazers, world changers, stepping in the light. From the past to the present, making history. Black girl magic, power legacy. Grace rock fashion, broke all the rules. Bell hooks, one love, knowledge is a tool. Need a hit note that can shake your soul. Sojourner spoke truth that never gets old. Missy on point, flying through the air. Tony wrote words that will always be there. Captain Big Matt sent ships to the sky. Dr. Joy brought the hidden trauma. Goodbye. We stand tall, we break chains. From history books to the world stage. Queens of power, style and grace. Our legacy will never fade. Lauren got bars dropped, now it's real deep. I'ma show beauty ain't just skin deep. Bessie took flight, touched the open sky. Beyonce said, watch me fly. Loretta held it down, kept the dream alive. Megan's reppin' strength, educated, fine. 31 queens, yeah, they paved the way. So we shine even brighter every single day. 31 queens, yeah, we shine so bright. Trailblazers, world changers, stepping in the light. From the past to the present, making history. Black gold, magic, power, legacy. Now down to the queens, yeah, we run this town. From Harlem to Lados, we wear the crown. One for each day, but the list runs long. Black women shine forever strong.